Hey everyone, so this is Server Flores, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your LiveGood membership into yearly. Okay, if you're not familiar with LiveGood, LiveGood is the fastest growing company today, wherein it has already more than 150,000 members worldwide. They have the highest quality products and nutritional supplements that can help you to become healthy. Plus, they also have a powerful marketing system and very rewarding compensation plan. Okay, so if you're not yet member of LiveGood, you can click the link below and check all the bonuses that you can get once you join on my team. Okay, so right now I will log in on my LiveGood dashboard to show you how to upgrade or how to activate your membership into yearly. Okay, just go to livegood.com, then you need to click on login and enter your username and password. So once you log in, all you need is to click my membership. I recommend to upgrade to a yearly membership for only $99.95 and get 20% off of your membership for the next year, so that you can focus on building your team and promoting your products. Okay, so make sure that you have more than $100 on your debit card or credit card. Okay, just click on upgrade to a yearly membership. Then after that, just click on check out. So just check your information and the credit card or the debit card that you are using. Then click on I understand that I will be charged $99.95. Then I agree to LiveGood policies and procedures as outlined here. So you can check here. Okay, then after that you can now click on place order. Okay, so success. Thank you for your order from LiveGood and congratulations again for being a LiveGood member. You ordered 1 year membership. Then click on continue. Okay, so now I don't need to think about my monthly membership, so I can now focus on my marketing and helping my team. Okay, if you click here my membership, okay, so you can now see that I'm now active on the yearly membership until May 14, 2024. Okay, that's how easy to stay active on LiveGood on a yearly basis. So I highly recommend to join LiveGood and use the products to stay healthy and start earning from the comfort of your home. Okay, so thanks so much for watching and see you on my next video.